Hey, it's Shanna with Shanna Sweets. I want to show you a quick video tutorial on how to make clouds using the cloud die cut, but this is to make them over, we're going to do it on a little bag here, but you could do it on a card front or anything. So I'm using the cloud punch, and I just punched out some thick basic white paper. And I'm going to use my blending brush, and I'm using Coastal Cabana ink. So I'm just going to put a piece of scrap paper underneath my bag, and I'm going to take my little, you can see I already have one that I've started, so I have my little die cut, and I'm just going to kind of stick it. And if you don't know how much ink you have, so you can start off the side and then just kind of lightly cover up your corner. That gives you a little, and then turn your cloud a different direction and go a different spot, then go down a little bit and go just slightly over that same spot. We're going to go over to this other side. And you can do it as light or as dark as you want, and then just make sure you're turning it different angles, and make sure your cloud is off the edge of the paper, and just go turning different formations every single time and varying your depth of color on your paper. This will give your cloud some depth, and even if you get down into where your die cut is not, it's fine, because that's just going to give your clouds a little more depth to them and shadow. So you can even go up a little more, and this just gives you a nice subtle, you can go as dark or as light as you want. So this is how the bag is done in our class. Now, as far as the circle goes, we're going to stamp our mermaid in Memento on the bottom portion of the circle, and then you're going to stamp it on your masking paper, and then you're going to take some scissors and trim out, and make sure you trim it right on the line, because you want your mask to go around the mermaid. Alright, so then take your mask, get the back off, layer your mask right on top, like that, and then the same thing. Take your cloud and just angle it. And this time your clouds look like waves of water instead of the sky. Then you can remove your mask. And you have your mermaid to color. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye.